Here's a good question. We're asked to reduce this expression. So first time when you always factor something, look for a common factor. And I think out of these three numbers, I think 4 will come out. So I'll factor 4 out, leaving me with t squared plus 6t plus 8. Then on the bottom, I think 16 will come out of all of those. So it'll be t squared minus t minus 6. All right, now each of this factor and this factor, they're a normal quadratic, t squared, t in a number. And so I think that I can factor them like that. So two numbers that multiply to 8 and add to 6. So 4 times 2, 4 times 2. So I'll have a t plus 4, t plus 2. Then on the bottom, I've got 16. So things that multiply to -6 add to a -1. That'd be -3 and +2. All right, so I factored everything. Now I look for common factors on the top and bottom. So here's a t plus 2 on the top, t plus 2 on the bottom, cancel. These I can't do anything with, but the 4 and the 16 I can. You can't just think, well, 4 goes into 16 4 times. Another way to think about it is you could have, let me just rewrite it, 4 times t plus 4 times 16 is 4 times 4 times t minus 3. So this 4 cancels that 4. So my answer in the end will be, I'll just have a t plus 4 on top, and then on the bottom I'll have 4 times t minus 3. All right, hopefully that helps you with that one. Good question.